Hello guys, welcome to another Maths Olympiad class. Today we continue with the last question we use as a kind of exercise take home. And the question says 3 raised to power y minus 2 raised to power y equals 8. Find the value of y. Like we did the other time, we just multiply both power by 2 over 2, which is the same thing as 1. So 3 raised to power y multiplied by 2 over 2 minus 2 raised to power y multiplied by 2 over 2 equals 8. Now from here we have 3 raised to power y over 2 square minus 2 raised to power y over 2 square equals 8. So like you can make 3 raised to power y over 2 g and 2 raised to power y over 2 h. So we have, if you now plug in g and h, we have g square minus h square equals 8. Now g square minus h square equals 8. We use difference of two squares method to solve this. So we have g minus h, g plus h equals 8. So the equation 1 will be g plus h equals 8 equals 4, because 4 times 2 is 8, and g minus h equals 2. So that will give us equation 1 and equation 2. So if you add the two equations together, g plus g will give us 2g, y plus h plus minus h will eliminate each other, then 4 plus 2 will give us 6. That means we have 2g equals 6. So if we divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of g, we have 2g over 2 equals 6 over 2. Then we have g equals 3. Now, if you substitute for g in equation 1, the equation 1 is we have 3 plus h equals 2. Then we collect the like times or use additive inverse. We have h equals 2 minus 3, then h equals minus 1. Now, since we have 3 raised to power y over 2 equals g and 2 raised to power y over 2 equals h, when g is 3, you can just equate 3 raised to power y over 2 equals 3. Then 3 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 1. So since the bases are equal, y over 2 equals 1. Then if you cross multiply, our y equals 2. Now we have 2 raised to power y over 2 equals h, and our h is minus 1. That means 2 raised to power y over 2 equals minus 1. So if we multiply both power by 2, we have 2 raised to power y over 2 times 2 equals minus 1 squared. So 2 will cancel 2 at the left side, then we have 2 raised to power y equals 1. So we have 2 raised to power y equals 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0 is the same thing as 1. So since the bases are equal now, y equals 0. Now for question number 2, the new question is on logarithm. This one now we have log x base 2 plus log x base 3 equals 0. So we have to simplify and find the value of x. So we see there is a rule in logarithm that says if you have log b base a is equal to log b over log a, that means we can have log x base 2 as log x over log 2 plus log x base 3 as log x over log 3. Everything equals to 0. So if you factor out the log x, then the log x will go to the other side. The right side we have 1 over log 2 plus 1 over log 3 multiplied by log x equals 0. Then if you check log 2 is 0.3010 and log 3 0.4771, then multiply by log x equals 0.
Okay.
Now if you divide 1 by log 2 0.3010, you get 3.322 plus 1 divided by 0.4771 will give us 2.096 multiplied by log x equals 0. So if you add these two together, you get 5.42 multiplied by log x equals 0. Now if you divide both sides by 5.42, we have log x equals 0 divided by 5.42, because 5.42 will cancel out 5.42. So log x equals 0 divided by 5.42 is the same thing as 0. So if we now, this log x is having base 10, though it's not written, but it's there, base 10. So we take the base 10 to the other side, which will push up 0 as power. So we now have x equals 10 raised to power 0. Then x equals 1, because 10 raised to power 0 is 1. Now we have this exercise as our take home. Simplify log y base 5 equals log y base 7. We shall discuss this together in our next class. Thank you. Don't forget the button, to click the button, to share the video, to click the notification, subscription, and like button.